Welcome to my cooking channel. This video contains all 3 videos posted last week. Let's start now. Tomatoes tofu egg soup. This soup is appetizing and delicious. Cook this low-carb soup anytime you like. Easy and quick recipe. Suitable for busy working days. Tomatoes are good for skin whitening effect, while tofu is high in protein. First choice healthy soup for your family. Let's start cooking. 2 tomatoes. 1 piece square tofu. 1 egg. Wash tomatoes. Crack egg into bowl. 1 teaspoon salt. Beat egg until frothy. Tofu cut into small pieces. Diced tomatoes. Chop the second tomatoes. One tablespoon cooking oil. Pour in chopped tomatoes. Stir fry with high heat. Add infused tomatoes at this stage to have the tomato's cube texture to bite when eating. Add 1 big bowl hot boiling water. Cook until it's boiling. Add tofu and cook for 1 minute. Optional to add 1 teaspoon chicken powder, ½ teaspoon each of salt and pepper powder. One teaspoon light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Boil over medium heat. Carefully pour egg liquid. Do not stir. Let the egg to form. Slowly stir when egg drops are formed. Off flame and drizzle sesame oil. Carefully pour soup into soup bowl. Tomatoes tofu egg soup is done. Nice orange-red color. Smells so good. I recommend this soup. Must try ya. Rice cooker chicken rice. Let's cook easy rice cooker recipe today. Simple and easy meal. It's so delicious. Chicken is tender and yummy. Let's start cooking. Sliced ginger. Chopped garlic. Ginger paste. View this video for ginger paste recipe. Chinese sausage. Soak in hot water. Easier to remove sausage casing. Soak for 2 minutes. Mushrooms. Boneless chicken chop. 1 teaspoon Shoshing wine. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon ginger powder. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Mix well. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce to add color. Mix well. Optional to marinate with ginger slices. Fridge and marinate at minimum 30 minutes. Remove sausage casing and sliced sausage. Wash and cut off mushroom stems. Sliced mushrooms. Marinate mushroom with oyster sauce and sesame oil at 1 teaspoon each. Wash and drain rice. Set aside. Add oil into rice cooker bowl. Garlic butter. Please watch this video for garlic butter recipe. 1 teaspoon garlic butter. 1 tablespoon each of ginger paste and chopped ginger. Sliced ginger. Stir-fry until fragrant. Rice. Stir-fry. Chicken powder and salt 1 teaspoon each. 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Stir-fry. Normal rice cooking water level. Marinated boneless chicken drumstick. Mushroom slices. Chinese sausage slices. Select white rice button. Rice is cooked mouth so good. Sliced chicken chop. Chicken meat is tender and juicy. Vegetarian chicken rice chili. Please view this video for vegetarian chicken rice chili recipe. Gentle reminds to only use dry spoon to scoop. Chili in order to keep fresh. Perfect combination. Rice cooker chicken rice is done. Vegetables to cook together too. My homemade vegetarian garlic and garlic butter do enhance the taste of this recipe. My family love this chicken rice so much. Fallen in love with this recipe. So delicious. Let's cook vegetarian meal today. Recipe of chili sauce and ginger paste. Recipe of vegetarian chicken rice and vegetarian fried shallot. Oil recipe will be included in this video too. Vegetarian fried shallot oil. This shallot oil can use for noodle, fried rice, and vegetable. Also to steam vegetarian fish too. Tastes great to pair with vegetarian ginger paste. Simple ingredient as you need only cabbage. Slice cabbage, add salt and squeeze the excess water. Add enough cooking oil, pour in cabbage slices. Stir-fry cabbage until golden brown with medium heat. Optional to sprinkle vegetarian powder. Sauté cabbage patiently. Smells so good. Vegetarian fried shallot oil is done. Keep fried shallot and shallot oil separately in glass container. Hope you like it. Give it a try. Vegetarian chicken rice. Lemongrass. Ginger. Cabbage. Lemongrass, remove first layer. Flatten it with knife back. Sliced ginger. Sliced 1/5 of cabbage. Pour cooking oil into rice pot. Pour in cabbage slices. Sauté until golden brown. This is vegetarian fried shallots oil. Add ginger slices and lemongrass. Add rice and stir fry. Stir and to melt planta. 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Add normal cooked rice waters level. Select rice cooking button. Rice is cooked. Smells so good. Remove lemongrass and ginger slices. Mix well. Wow, chicken rice smells so good. Vegetarian chicken rice is fine. Perfectly matched to pair with fried vegetarian goose. Next video. Let's cook vegetarian chicken rice, chili paste, and ginger paste. Vegetarian chicken rice will use this vegetarian shallot oil too. The rice is delicious full of vegetarian shallot oil fragrance. Vegetarian chili paste and ginger paste. Vegetarian chicken chili sauce ingredients are red chili, smell lime and ginger. Ginger paste ingredients is ginger. Cubes ginger. Cut red chilies into small pieces. Squeeze lime juice. Put ginger cubes ingredients into blender cup and seasoning. Cover the lid and start blending. Pour ginger paste into container. Ginger paste is done. Pour in all ingredients into blender cup and seasoning. Add lime juice. Add 1/4 cup water. Cover lid and start blending. Vegetarian chicken rice chili is done. It's tasty to add vegetarian fried shallot in ginger paste. Share me your comment at below video to tell me if you like this recipe. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday containing videos of previous week too. All 3 recipes. Please view this video for last week video's recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.